Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to go ahead and connect Discover Bank to the Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund your Acorns app with your Discover Bank. How do you actually go ahead and connect it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Acorns app. Once you're logged onto the Acorns app, go ahead and click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Settings. Next, click on Linked Accounts. Then click on Link Another Account. Now from here, you could actually go ahead and select which bank you want to connect to. So go ahead and click on Discover. And then it's either going to prompt you to verify your phone number or go ahead and actually log in to your Discover account. So once you log in, you could actually go ahead and select which checkings or savings accounts you want to connect to the Acorns app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.